This is an independent artist, and this is a $10,000 music video.
Rubber sheet Teresa from the Queen of the South. I was raised up in the trenches, talking mashes by the benches. I'm never on the fences, picking sides on who my friends with.
I want to tell you how I went from meeting him at a show to working on an album together and filming this masterpiece.
Walking in the Rain video shoot, nearly wrapped up.
When are you coming home, Daddy?
I like walking in the rain cause they can't really see my tears. And man, to really get the bag I had to really face my fears. I'm fed up with brothers, I'm doing business with my lady and I ain't fucking about.
So one frustration that a lot of producers have, and including me for a long time, is landing placements with major artists. They send DMs and get no response, they upload beats and get no sales, and it drives people crazy. But I honestly think people are doing it for the wrong reasons. They see credits in people's bios and they pretty much want the same, but just for clout and not really for the love of music. A lot of people are willing to work with someone they don't even like, just to have that credit, like it's scoring points. I can't lie, major placements can definitely help you brand. I've got tracks out with Gigs, Skinny Flex, Quangface, Noisy, BM and more, and it's sick to know these people are actually using my beats. But if you listen to the most legendary producers, they all give the same advice.
I'm going through, streaming things, trying to find new artists to sign or work with or whatever, because I understand that artist development is the best way to get wherever you want to go as a producer.
Build with an artist, and that's exactly what I wanted to do. Way more enjoyable locking in with someone on a come up. You get more creative input, you decide when to release music, and if that artist blows, then most likely you'll blow with them if you've got a catalogue together. So one day I was at my boy Keon's show, and an artist called Geo HGS was performing there. He travelled all the way to Leeds from London to perform a few tracks, and I thought his performance was sick, so I ended up filming it and just posting a few clips on my story. The next day he replied saying thanks for the love, carried on talking in the DMs, arranged the session, made some sick music, and then we just hit it off from there.
Change you, change me. The only thing I changed was a stainless steel to the rosy, from the green to the nosy. What you know about lonely? What you know about 20 new bits to the Coley? What you know about could've caught life in this motor? All the things.
An opportunity came up for me to perform at NAS Festival, thanks to my boy Westy. And I don't rap anymore, I don't DJ, so I shouted Gio to see if he wanted to perform instead. We performed some of the tracks we'd be working on together, and the crowd seemed to love it, so we carried on locking in.
Everyone make some noise for Cactus. Come on. Yo, changes. Everybody going through changes. Yeah. Everybody going through stages. Yeah. When I made this, I was thinking about my guys in the cages. Some are doing time for the same shit that I'm doing daily. Yo, changes. Everybody going through changes. Yeah. Stages. Everybody going through stages. Yeah. When I made this, I was thinking about the guys in the cages. Some are doing time for the same shit. Same type of shit I'm doing. Changes. Everybody going through changes. Yeah.
We spent a couple full days in the studio working hard, and before we knew it, we had over 10 tracks together, so we decided to put out a project called Love and War. Gio's manager Jinka engineered and mixed the whole thing.
Really see my tears, and man, to really get the bag I had to really face my fears. I'm fed up with brothers, I'm doing.
And Gio fell in love with a song called Walking in the Rain.
Yeah, I love Walking in the Rain, Jay. I think we should shoot a video to that.
And I actually made that beat back in March 2021, so let me show you how it was done. So the melody I made for this is actually really simple. So I started with these chords. And that's the main foundation of the beat. Next I added this violin. Literally just 4 notes. I also had a second layer of piano. I think we actually took these out in the end. But we might have kept some notes in. Then I added the same violin with the pizzicato preset, and I feel like this really made the track, even though it's so simple. Just the same note. And then lastly I added these vocals. Just really powerful and soulful. And then all together it sounds like this. So not many layers at all. Then I sent that melody to my guy RXR, who's worked with people like Potter Paper and D-Block Europe, and he definitely did his thing on the drums. So we ended up filming a few other videos first, which you might have seen already. One was called Jumper, which featured the French rapper Cactus, and we actually filmed that in Paris. We flew over to film it in his block. All his boys were there, we had dirt bikes, drone shots, and the whole vibe was sick.
She want my jumper, baby, just take it. She wanna bounce, but baby, don't break it. Every fear I face it, like the first brick I took, I break it. Put it in fifth and skirt a spaceship. Yeah. I grew up in Camden, not about snake shit, yeah.
And that was the first official release. Next we dropped For Real, which was filmed in Barcelona, and personally that was one of my favorites. I thought Gio went sick on it, the beat was real soulful and the drums were knocking, and it had a sick response.
My brother made me hold his mash while he went to Juma. I said it's crazy in the dunya. Hey, yo. Youngins listen when I'm rapping, so I'm rapping real. I was in the flats for real, trying to move the pack for real. Savage used to back a pill. Now it's only weed in my Rizla, and it's Cali still.
But we wanted to film something big. We decided to run with Walking in the Rain as the feature track on the album. And this was going to be a high budget video, so we hired a sick production team who've worked with some of the biggest artists in the UK, such as Nines. And this is how it went. So right now I'm driving to London to film the music video for Walking in the Rain with Gio. This one's going to be the sickest video on the album. It's the highest budget one. We've got a rain machine, pyrotechnics, there's a full production team there. And yeah, the vibe's going to be crazy. So as soon as we get to the set, I'll show you around.
Cactus.
XO.
Right, we're filming the next scene now. This one's just from Gio. We've been rained on a bit, but for this one, we're going for a bit of a distorted, blurry look. So take a look. Alright, so we're doing the next scene now. For this one, we've got someone playing a dead body. Let me show you quick. So this is the body here. I tried to get my boy to do it, but he wasn't having it, so I had to find someone. As you can see, we've got the phones dangling down. Setup's crazy. And then I think we've got, what, 2 more scenes after this?
Yeah, 2 more scenes.
And then it should be a wrap. So obviously the video is looking crazy and it's the most professional one I've ever done, so I really hope you like it when it drops on the 16th of June. But more importantly, the Love and War album will be dropping on the 7th of July and it's available now for pre-orders and pre-saves. I know a lot of you guys show so much support and I still can't explain how much it actually means to me. So for anyone that does pre-order the album, I'm gonna give you a free brand new drill and trap drum kit. It has all the sounds I've used for the Love and War album, plus new ones I've designed. The kit's sick. Plus you're gonna get Gio's exact vocal mixing chain preset for Logic. And if you want the kit, all you have to do is pre-order the album on iTunes or Amazon Music and then send me a screenshot of the order. I've left a link in the description with all of the details. Our goal is to get in the iTunes chart because it's still one of the only places you can buy digital albums. And it's only $5.99, so essentially you're gonna get a brand new drum kit plus more for less than $6. To make it even better, we're going to be giving Love and War merch t-shirts away to the first 30 people that make an order. So we hope you love the album, we hope you love Walking in the Rain, and hopefully this inspires you to start working with independent artists yourself. Much love.